You can make passive income doing this exact type of videos and skyrocket your engagement alongside your revenue. So let me go step by step with you on how to make the videos. These are the two types I'm gonna teach you. Let's dive right in. First things first, we gotta grab ourselves some retention hackers. What are those, you ask? Well, they're videos that keep viewers glued to the screen no matter what's going on in the video. This awesome trick will give our video a super boost in how long people stick around, and that means the fancy algorithm will start showing our video to even more people. Picture this. You can choose videos like crazy cool Minecraft parkour adventures or crazy fast Subway Surfers gameplay. But hey, my vote goes to Minecraft parkour because it's a blast and everyone's crazy about it.
What are you doing?
Me? Just hanging around.
Okay, so to find these videos, you just search on YouTube for Minecraft parkour gameplay. You can find hours long of straight gameplay that we are going to use. Go straight to any MP4 YouTube downloader of your choice and download the video. Next, you're gonna need a video editor. Basically, you get to choose whichever one floats your boat and fits your wallet. If you got the money, I'd say go all out and grab yourself Premiere Pro. It's top notch, but it'll cost you. Now, if your pockets are feeling a bit empty, no worries. You've got options. You can use with DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. CapCut's the real MVP here because it's totally free and easy to use. That's the one we're going to use in this tutorial. If you want to grab CapCut, just hop over to CapCut.com and click on Download for Windows button. If you have a Mac, no worries. Just hit Download for Mac instead. Then follow the usual install steps. If you don't have PC, no problem. You can still use CapCut on your phone. It has Android and iOS versions. Now it's time to find those super popular videos and the stuff you love. Doesn't matter what you're into. Gaming, cooking, whatever. Once you found those videos, we're going to make scripts like them. Easy peasy with ChatGPT by your side. For me, I'm gonna whip up a random script just for fun. After that, we're gonna hop over to this awesome text-to-speech tool called 11 Labs. Trust me, it's the best out there. You get to choose how you want the voice to sound, and bam, the tool does the voice for your script. Now open up CapCut and hit New Project. Then bring in the voiceover and parkour video. Trim out the unused bits. Adjust the video shape to 9:16 for that YouTube short style and center it up. Jump into the text section, go for auto captions, and let CapCut do its thing. Then tweak the text style and give it some cool animation vibes. Then add some pictures. I will do that in Premiere Pro instead. Let's see how is the video looking.
Fancy is a great YouTube channel where you can find everything you need in the AI space and how to grow a YouTube channel and make some money. That's why you should subscribe to him and leave a comment because he answers every comment. And you might consider subscribing to his email list for weekly AI news.
The video looks pretty good. Obviously, you can add more effects and make it better. This was just a sample to explain how to make these videos. Moving to the next type of videos, this one is more complicated than the other one. First, we need an image generator. You can use any one you like. If you have a paid subscription in Midjourney, you can use it. If not, I will suggest that you use Leonardo AI. They are almost the same. You get 150 credits to work with at first. So just go to app.leonardo and enter this prompt. You will find everything in description. You can change the prompt and adjust it to your preferences. Then you will get these images. It takes 1 token to generate every image, and you 150 token every day. So you can generate up to 150 images every day. Feel free to regenerate if you don't like the first images until you find the perfect one that fits your style. Now you need to let the picture say the words. And for this task, we will be using DID. You get 20 tokens in the free trial. It's enough to get you started. Upload the image you generated earlier. And in the right side, upload the voiceover and then click on Generate Video. Then the AI tool will make you a perfect video for your needs.
Fancy is a great YouTube channel where you can find everything you need in the AI space and how to grow a YouTube channel and make some money. That's why you should subscribe to him and leave a comment because he answers every comment. And you might consider subscribing to his email list for weekly AI news.
That was perfect. Now, let's just download the video. Next, you have to do the same things we did for the first video in the video editor software, and your video is ready. Let's see the final results.
Fancy is a great YouTube channel where you can find everything you need in the AI space and how to grow a YouTube channel and make some money. That's why you should subscribe to him and leave a comment because he answers every comment. And you might consider subscribing to his email list for weekly AI news.
This actually looks very good. The second video might be better. This Instagram page does similar videos and makes so much money on newsletters. You can monetize this in a lot of different ways, starting from the YouTube Partner Program and affiliate marketing. You can also create courses or digital products that you can advertise through this type of content. But you have to stay consistent for a period of time to see results. And this is it for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and watch this video if interested.